Hello everyone. Today we're going to be replacing the rear arm spring on your Toro TimeMaster. When the arm spring starts giving out, it becomes increasingly difficult to adjust the height of the mower. A crack forms and the spring begins breaking apart. The front arm spring is in good shape. It goes easily up and down, so we won't have to mess with that one. The first thing I'm going to do is turn the mower on its side and remove the left rear wheel. There's 2 washers you need to save during the course of this project, and this is the first one. Then the plastic, and next the gear, which is held into place by this cotter pin. The bolt we just removed and this snap ring are what hold the wheel bearing into place. This is the second washer. And finally, now we can remove the wheel bearing. The bearing fits into this hole in the height adjustment plate and the axle plate, with the conduit rod in the middle of the two. The conduit rod being a sort of drive shaft that propels the mower. It takes some effort and concentration to line up the bearing with the holes and the conduit, so just don't go smashing away with your hammer until everything is lined up right. Then the bearing should slide into place easily. If we try installing the gear at this point, it won't fit. That's because we need to pull up on the conduit rod. You can pull up from above, or you can do it from below by prying up on the transmission. Then reinstall the washer and the snap ring. The snap ring will hold the rod into place while you put on the gear. Insert the cotter pin and bend it around the shaft instead of over the top. If you do it over the top, then it will get sheared off by the wheel, by the gears of the wheel. Our new arm spring lowers the cutting height and it raises it. Good job. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to replacing the rear arm spring. Keep that area of the mower free of grass and debris and keep it oiled with WD-40 and they'll last a little longer. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.